बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। Remember that practice leads to perfection, but carelessness leads to destruction. So be careful about your actions and about your practices. When you practice a lot, you will find good fruit. Practice leads to perfection, but carelessness leads to destruction. Use logarithms to find the value of 3.28 into third root of 690 by 0.417 into 1.84. Let x is equal to 3.28 into third root of 690 over 0.417 into 1.84. Remember that this third root is written in radical form. First convert it into exponential form as x is equal to 3.28 as it was. Third root in radical form is converted into its exponential form. It may be written as 690 divided by 0.417 into 1.84 whole to the power 1 by 3. Then take log on both the sides. We have log x is equal to log of all the given quantity, which contains mainly two factors. One is 3.28 and other third root of these three numbers. So we use first the law of logarithms for multiplication of two quantities with a single log, which is converted into sum of separate logarithms. Sum of separate logarithms. When we are given a quantity in single log in multiplication form, one quantity and another quantity, it is written in separate logarithms as sum of the given quantities in the product using this law of logarithms. Then we write following this law, log of x to the power n is written as n log of x. Exponent of argument of logarithm is written before the log. Remember that. Following this law, we may write 1 by 3 log of 690 over 0.417 into 1.84. Remember that if you do not replace this sign of multiplication into addition, this step will be cancelled. This step will be incorrect. So be careful. As I said to you that carelessness leads to destruction. When you do not write this multiplication sign converted into plus sign, you may not write these separate logarithms from single to separate logarithms as summation following this law. In single logarithm, two quantities are multiplied, but in separate logs, they are being added. Following this law, we noted this step, and then following this law, exponent is written before the log, afterwards the given argument. Next, this is the same step as we considered. Next, now following this law, when two quantities are being divided, they are being separated by taking their difference. Separate logarithms are shown by taking their difference. Log of numerator minus the log of denominator. Following this law, numerator is 690, denominator is the product of two quantities. So we follow this law, log of a over b equal to log of a minus log of b. So it will be written log of 690 minus log of this quantity, which is written in the denominator. Again, this is product of two quantities in single log will be separated by writing their separate log in addition. Following this law again, remember that this minus sign is there before this logarithm. So it must be written separately, and the two logarithms in the summation form must be written in a separate pair of braces. Be careful about each and every step. If you directly write it as minus log of 0.417 minus log of 1.84, then it will be right, as in the next step it becomes minus. Minus into this quantity is minus, minus into plus is again minus. If you leave this step, even then it will be true. But many students do not correctly write this step after this one, as they write it as log of first quantity plus the log of second quantity. No, as there is minus sign, so it will be applied in this step to make it as log of 690 minus log of 0.417 minus log of 1.84. Using calculators, we may write the values of log of all the three numbers, as log of 690 is 2.8388 minus log of 0.417. Using calculator up to 4 decimal point, it becomes minus 0.3798, and log of 1.84 is minus 0.2648. Some students mistakenly write this log as just 0.3798. It is negative. Be careful when you use calculator and find out log of 0.417. It must be negative. Minus sign is already there, so it makes it plus. It makes it positive. Be careful about this step. And simplifying these three numbers, we get the next step as log of x is equal to 0.5158, which is log of this number. Log of 3.28 is 0.5158, and it is written as in the previous steps, plus 1 by 3 into simplified form of this number is 2.9538. Dividing this number 2.9538 by 3, we get 0.9846. By adding the two numbers, we get log of x equal to 1.5004. Now the step of taking anti-log on both the sides will be considered. Log of x is equal to 0.5158 plus 0.9846, the second last step in the last view. The next step is the addition of two numbers, which brings it log x equal to 1.5004, and taking anti-log on both the sides, we have anti-log of log x equal to anti-log of 1.5004. Using the law that log and anti-log cancel each other, we get the next step as x is equal to anti-log of 1.5004. Using calculator, we write the value of x as 31.65. Taking anti-log of 1.5004, the value of x becomes 31.65, which is the required answer. You may check your answer using your calculator, as take third root of 690 over 0.417 into 1.84. Take its third root, multiply the answer by 3.28. The answer will be the same as we use logarithms to find it out. It is 31.65. Use calculator to find this quantity as 31.65. It confirms you that you have found the true answer using logarithms. Okay, thank you.